Hi guys, let's learn how to create our underwater logo. First, create your composition. Then, import your logo and video. Add your video and then search for this 3D camera tracker. Now, wait for it to analyze. Nice. Next, choose where you want to place your logo and create a noun and camera. Drag your logo onto the track now. And pre-compose it. Then check the 3D layer. If you don't see it, press F4. Now, place your logo where and how you prefer. Change your logo mode to overlay and decrease the opacity. Add the wave warp effect to your logo. But if it looks too wavy, decrease the height and width. Cool. Duplicate your logo and add the CC Radial Fast Blur effect. Change your first logo's layer style to drop shadow. And increase the shadow size to 8. Also, change the distance to 3. Check the motion blur for both logos. Let's see. Nice. Then create a new solid. And add CC jewels. By increasing the completion, you'll see how cool it looks. You can also choose a shape. I'd prefer waves. If you want to add color, use the gradient ramp effect. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can also create a keyframe for completion to get a nice transition. Cool. Keep your creativity alive.
Damn.